In front of me is Cubot King Kong Mini free, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app and selecting Photos or Library at the bottom. Either way, after picking your photos that you wish to delete, hold one of them. Then to select multiple right away, use those type of dots at the top right corners. Now to discard some of your photos, tap on the chosen one that you wish to keep, and to delete the rest, use Delete button. Then hit Got it in the pop-up and move to Trash in the second one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!